last class we discussed about fractional numbers. I am going to share some thoughts regarding fractional numbers again. Do you remember Nandu? Yes. His mother asked him to buy 500 grams of sugar from the shop. While shopkeeper was filling sugar in 4 polythene covers, Nandu asked him to give a 500 grams of sugar. From the 4 packets, he gave Nandu 1 packet of 500 grams of sugar. My dear children, we already know that each packet of sugar carries 500 grams of sugar. If it is so, can you tell me how many grams of sugar are there in all 4 packets? Yes, 2000 grams. That means the first packet contains 500 grams sugar, and second, third, fourth packets of sugar also contains 500 grams of sugar each. That is 500 grams plus 500 grams plus 500 grams plus 500 grams is equal to 2000 grams. We can also say that if we add 500 in 4 times, also we will get 2000. My dear children, can you tell me how we can write this in mathematical way? Yes, 500 gram into 4 is equal to 2000 gram. Can you tell me how many grams are there in 1 kilogram? Yes, 1000 grams. If it is so, 2000 grams is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, 2 kilograms. If 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, then 500 grams is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, half kilograms or 1 by 2 kilograms. Here, 500 grams is the half of 1000 grams. Here, half kilogram is equal to 500 gram. Then, 4 times as much as 500 grams is 2000 grams. Here, 4 times as much as 1 by 2 kilogram is 2 kilograms. In mathematically we can write 4 into 1 by 2 kilogram is equal to 2 kilogram. Considering another situation. A bottle can hold 250 milliliters. How much water do we need to fill for such bottles? Yes, 1000 milliliter. That means if we take 4 bottles of water 250 milliliter each and pour it together, we will get 1000 milliliters of water. That is 1000 milliliter is the 4 times of 250 milliliter. We know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. That means 250 milliliter is the 1 by 4th part of 1000 milliliter. If it is so, can you tell me 250 milliliter is equal to how many liters? Yes, 1/4 liters. That is 1 by 4 liters. If we calculate 3 times of 250 milliliter, can you tell me how many liters are there? Yes, 750 milliliter. That is 250 into 3, we get 750. We already know that 250 milliliter is the quarter liter. Then the 3 times of quarter, that is 3 times of 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. That is 3 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Then 750 milliliter is equal to how many liter? Yes, 3/4 liters. That is 3 by 4 liter. From this, we understood that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 250 milliliter is equal to 1/4 liter. 500 milliliter is equal to half liter. 750 milliliter is equal to 3/4 liter. Let us consider another situation. There are 5 ribbons at the length of 1/4 meter each. If we keep these ribbons in a straight line or laid end to end, what would be the total length? Find out the answer and tell me. Here, each pieces of ribbon has 1/4 meter. If we put together 4 of these pieces, we will get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. That is 1 meter. If we add another 1 by 4 part with the ribbon of 1 meter, can you tell me how much will be the total length? Yes, 1/4. That is 4/4 meters make 1 meter. 1 more quarter makes 1/4 meter. That means 5 times of 1 by 4 is 5 into 1 by 4. We get 1/4. Clear? Let us consider another situation. Look into this picture. How many triangles are there in the picture? Yes, 26. This picture shows one big triangle and carries 25 small triangles inside. Or we can say this large triangle is divided into 25 small triangles. Can you tell me how many triangles are colored in red? Yes, the red colored part is 18 by 25 of the large triangle. Here, the red colored portion is made up of 3 equal parts. Can you tell me how many triangles are there in each shaded part? Yes, 6 small triangles are there in each shaded part. If we take one shaded part of the triangle only, can you tell me how many parts it representing while considering the large triangle? Yes, 6 by 25. If it is so, if we take all the red colored part together, can you tell me how many parts it represents while considering the large triangle? Yes, 18 by 25. That is 18 out of 25. That is 6 by 25 plus 6 by 25 plus 6 by 25 is equal to 18 by 25. Here 3 times of 6 by 25 is equal to 18 by 25. In mathematically we can write 3 into 6 by 25, we get 18 by 25. Let us consider another situation. In the evening, Nandu's mother told him to buy a pumpkin of 500 grams. The shopkeeper gave him two identical part of pumpkin pieces weighing 500 grams total. If it is so, can you tell me how many grams each? Yes, 250 grams. That means 250 grams plus 250 grams, we will get 500 grams. Or we can say 2 times of 250 grams is equal to 500 grams. In mathematically, we can say that 2 into 250 grams is equal to 500 grams. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? Yes, 1000 grams. If it is so, 500 grams is equal to 1 by 2 kilograms. My dear children, here we are discussing about multiplication and times from the new chapter fractions. Now, what you have to do is just read the chapter fraction, page number 27 and 28. Be familiar with all the questions and find out the answers for the questions described in page number 28 and 29. As we all know, reading textbook is very important because whenever you are getting a question, reading will help you to understand the question very well. Then only you can solve the problems step by step and score maximum marks. Okay, children. Now it's time to wind up the class. See you next time.